Magento Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the platform and additional resources are provided in the description below. In this video, I'll give you a concise and expert review of Magento for dropshipping, covering its features, strengths, weaknesses, and who it's best suited for. Let's dive right in. Magento, now part of Adobe Commerce, is a powerful open-source e-commerce platform known for its flexibility and scalability. For dropshipping, Magento offers extensive customization options, making it ideal for businesses that want to create a highly tailored online store. It supports integrations with a variety of dropshipping extensions and tools like AliExpress, Spocket, and Printful, allowing you to easily source products and automate inventory management and order fulfillment. One of Magento's standout features is its advanced functionality. It provides robust e-commerce tools, including multi-store capabilities, advanced inventory management, customizable product pages, and extensive reporting. These features make it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small stores to large-scale enterprises. Additionally, Magento supports a wide range of payment gateways, tax configurations, and shipping options, offering full control over your store's operations. A major strength of Magento is its scalability. Whether you're a small business planning to grow or an established enterprise handling high sales volumes, Magento can handle it all. Its open-source nature means you can customize nearly every aspect of your store, provided you have the technical skills or a development team. For those invested in SEO, Magento offers excellent tools for optimizing your store and driving organic traffic. However, Magento is not without its weaknesses. First, it has a steep learning curve, especially for non-technical users. Setting up and managing a Magento store often requires developer expertise, which can increase costs significantly. Additionally, while the open-source version is free, hosting, extensions, and development services can add up quickly. For smaller businesses or beginners, this might make Magento less accessible compared to other platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Who is Magento dropshipping for? It's ideal for medium to large businesses or tech-savvy entrepreneurs who need a fully customizable, scalable platform for their dropshipping operations. If you're looking for advanced functionality and long-term growth, Magento is an excellent choice. However, beginners or those on a tight budget may want to consider simpler alternatives. That's the full review of Magento for dropshipping: clear, direct, and insightful. If you're ready to explore Magento, check the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more e-commerce reviews.